Welcome back, I'm Miriam. So this week I'm taking you with me as I use Fennel. This week I'm using Fennel in just a couple of different ways. And then I'm also using dyes. So stay tuned. The first way that I am using Fennel essential oil is in my diffuser along with peppermint. I'm going to put 1 drop of peppermint and 2 of fennel, and I'm just going to diffuse this. So today I'm going to use fennel with some of this jojoba oil as a carrier oil. Put a drop of each in the palm of my hand. I'm going to just rub it right on my tummy. So I don't have Fennel Vitality, but I do have dyes, which has fennel in it, along with tarragon and juniper and anise and ginger, I think. So anyway, when I put essential oils in water, I put 1 drop in the bottom of an empty glass, and then I fill it up with water, and it's important to drink filtered water. That way the oils kind of get mixed up into the water a little bit, because of course oils and water don't mix exactly. I have noticed that sometimes adding a tiny pinch of salt helps the oils mix with the water better or be more distributed. So you might want to try that.